beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing the AIA Awards Beauty Bundle box, and that is this box here in question. And this box, guys, is a monthly box now, and the box costs $35 a month. And this box actually lets brands take over, and you get like a full line of products. So this box here is pretty heavy, guys. So for the month of March 22, we have the Key Soul skincare line in this here box. I was so super excited when I found out that Alicia Keys skincare line was going to be in this box, because I'm like, oh, I could try out the whole line, almost like the whole line. So we have a number of products in here, and guys, I actually went and reviewed all of the products, and you'll see me adding the clips of me using the products, and I am giving you an honest review of what I think of the products, not just a review of the box, but more in depth of how I felt about using the products. So guys, if you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video today and keep checking back in with me for other unboxings. If you enjoy skincare, beauty, makeup, subscription boxes, lifestyle, beauty product reviews, this is your channel. So let's get started. And guys, we do get a card in this box like we do with some of the other subscription box, and we have Alicia Keys on the cover here for the Key Soul skincare line. And on the back, guys, we do have the products in our box, some information about the products on here. It does not state how much they cost, so I'm not exactly certain. And when you open the box, guys, look at how much stuff is in here. This is a good box. So when I seen this box, and I was like, I could do a spa date with this box. So that's what I did. And I did receive another product that we received from BoxyCharm last month. I got one of her masks. I was like, dude, I got enough product in here. I could do a full spa day series with this box. So that is what we're doing here today, and I'm going to go over and let you know how I felt about everything. So this is the only product that was not in the box. This is the Key Soul skincare. This is the Harmony mask, and I got this last month in my BoxyCharm box. So I did use this along with our spa day today. So I feel like I got a very good feel of the brand, if you know what I mean. So let's get started, guys. I'm going to start out with our first product here. And you can't start a spa day without having a cleanser. So your girl has a cleanser in here. We have the Key Soulcare Golden Cleanser. And this is a pretty nice size bottle of cleanser, guys. This is 5.75 fluid ounces. And this is what the product looks like inside. Let me open it for you. And this product was very easy to work with too, guys. On the screen, you should probably be seeing me use the product. And basically, like any other product, which is a cleanser, you use this to clean your face. So that is the first step of spa day with me today, as we're cleansing our face. So I love the packaging also on this line. It's very has a nice, sleek, sexy, modern look to it. Not overdone, not too much fluff, just very sleek and to the point. I love the product line. So guys, I use the cleanser. The cleanser is not a real heavy liquid. It's kind of light, but a little. It's not the consistency where it's like watery. It's just a light version. It's nice and clear. It's easy to use. It does have some foaming action going on, as you guys can see on the screen. And guys, when I finished washing my face did not feel super dry, which I think is a very good indicator whether or not something's really going to work for you. Like sometimes you clean your face with some of these products and they leave you very dry because of the detergents are kind of harsh on your skin. So I was very pleased with the cleanser in that sense. So on our card here, the product information we received, it says a delicate smoothing face cleanser that gently purifies your skin and your spirit with an antioxidant rich hydrating Manakook honey and calming turmeric. So I was pleased with this. I can definitely keep using this and feel like I can definitely roll it in to my regular regimen and feel like my face will be clean and it won't have a dried out kind of feeling. So that's really good for me with this combination skin. So that's what we got going on with product number 1 out the box, which is our cleanser. So guys, the next product, the next thing that I did for our spa day here is I went on and I used the Key Soulcare Harmony Mask that I told you I got out of the BoxyCharm box. Now guys, this, we received a 1.76 fluid ounces in BoxyCharm, and it was a product that I had chose for the month as one of the products that I wanted. So guys, this mask here, it has a very light finish to it. It's not very clayish like a lot of the masks you get. They're kind of clays and real heavy. This mask has a very light texture to it, and as it dries, it literally just tightens your skin a bit as it's drying on the skin. But it's not like it's super drying, but it feels almost like it has like a I don't know, almost like a peel off mask kind of consistency and how it looks on your skin a little bit as it dries. But it was very easy to use. You didn't need a lot of it. You just let it wait till it dries down, like 10 or 20 minutes based on wherever you live at. And I felt like that went on really good. It washed off well. My skin felt good. It felt tightened up after I used it. So I was pretty happy with that product. So guys, this product, the exfoliator, comes out of the bottle as a powder. So you just pour a little bit into your hands. You add a little bit of water, rub your hands together, and start putting it on your face, massaging it on your face with your hands and rubbing it in. And it does not have a very gritty texture, but it does feel, your face does feel good after you rinse it off, but it's not very gritty at all. I know we all have used a lot of exfoliators that have a very rough feel on your skin. This would not be one of them. So if you're looking for something a little bit gentler to use as an exfoliator, I would recommend this product to you. It was very easy to use. I like the fact that it's in powder form. You literally control how much of it you're using based on how much you pour out, and you just add a little bit of water to it, not even a lot, and it literally starts foaming up, and you can gently exfoliate as you use this product on your face. And the information that we were provided is that exfoliate your skin with this restorative water activating exfoliating powder for complexion, formulated with jojoba powder, lactic acid, mung beans, and oats. I have no idea what jojoba powder is. I hope I'm saying it right. And I don't know what mung beans is either. But again, like I said, if you're looking for an exfoliator that's not very rough and kind of gentle, this won't be it. It was not very gritty at all. Easy to use. So guys, after I took my exfoliant off and washed my skin, I did follow right up with this revitalizing aurora mist, if I can talk. Yes, reviving aura mist is what I followed up with, and I gave myself a few quick sprays just to keep my skin damp, and very easy to use, nice scent. The verbiage we received here is basically a natural rose scented revitalizing face mist and spray and toner formulated with Rose of Jericho and Witch Hazel. So just did a quick mist of that and went on. I thought it smelled okay. So guys, the next step into our spa day featuring the Key Soulcare line is going to be, we're going to move right into our serum here. So we did get a serum in here, which I was super excited about. Love my serums. This is the Promise Serum, guys. So the Promise Serum is a lightweight brightening facial serum with niacinamide, zinc PCA, and snow mushroom that helps control oil levels for a balanced, healthier looking complexion. Now guys, I did put this right on after I took the exfoliator off. Or did I put this on after the mist? No, I put this on after the mist. Okay. So guys, I did apply the Promise Serum after I used the mist. And while my skin was still damp, I went ahead and went in with this Promise serum that we were provided in here. Now, the only thing, this one felt a little sticky to me, and I don't know if that was because my hands were still damp. I'm not exactly sure, and it did feel a little sticky. And I like something that does a very good job with hydrating my skin. It was very lightweight. And I like the idea of it being a lightweight and a brightening serum. But I don't know. I just don't know if it really did a good job with the hydrating part of my skin. Like, it went on, it felt kind of tacky as you're like putting it on, because I just kind of pressed it in, as you guys see it on the screen. And it did feel a little tacky to me, like a little sticky, almost like when you're pulling your hands back. So it's not one that goes on rather smooth. I just didn't care for that part of it. So guys, after I got my serum on, I went right ahead for my spa day with my eye cream. So we have an eye cream in here, which is the Radiant Eye Cream. And this is a 0.53 ounce container. Yeah, this is a 0.53 ounce container of the eye cream. And the eye cream states it's a hydrating under eye cream that locks in moisture and helps to improve the look of lines, of fine dry lines, peptide, sunflowers, seed oil, and gold foil. So I didn't see any gold foil in here, but you know what, that mask said gold foil too, but I did see the sheen on my face after I used the mask. But I didn't see anything when I put the eye cream on, so you guys are watching me put the eye cream on. And it felt hydrating. I had no problems with the eye cream. It felt really nice to use. So then I went on to my next step. So we did not get a moisturizer per se in this box, but we did receive what is called the Comforting Balm. Now the Comforting Balm is a multi-purpose product, so you can use this on all over your body, like anywhere that's dry or you need some attention. So it's a soothing skin balm for the face and body, formulated with camille seed, rose of Jericho, avocado oil, and shea butter. So this one, I didn't really use too much on my face. I ended up just using one of my regular moisturizers, and I kind of use this on my elbows, hands, and cuticles, which is one of the things they suggested that you could use it for. And it is thick, like you could tell the shea butter is in there, so you definitely have to rub it together in your hands and apply it on your body. But overall, I thought this was a awesome box in a sense that not only did you get to try the Key Soulcare skincare line, you got decent amounts of product to really see if you like it, which I think is absolutely great. So many times we get boxes and you get these little mini products and you can't tell whether or not the stuff is working because it's only like for like 4 or 5 uses and it's done. But this time we got a whole line with huge bottles of product to actually try out. And I think we got some of the most important products in the line to try out. Most of the time you're looking at the cleansers, the serums, eye creams, and I thought this was a great way to try out the box. I hope you guys enjoyed this spa day with me using the Key Soulcare line. I did enjoy using everything. Super excited to get this one, guys. So I hope you enjoyed spa day with me. If you have the AIA bundle, let me know how you guys like it. And if you've tried the Key Soulcare line, let me know if you really enjoyed the line and what is your current product or favorite product out of the line right now. But guys, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. It would mean the world to me and help me to grow on YouTube here as a small creator. But guys, until next time, stay blessed. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.